Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Chantal. This is my basic journey. I live and travel in my minivan with my dog Joey, and I'm currently in Sedona, right where I left you guys off in the same camping spot. I just haven't picked up my camera in like 5 days. It's actually been really nice, and I just really wanted to enjoy the Sedona area and just take in my scenery while I'm here, because recently I feel like everywhere I go, because I'm trying to make a video from it, I'm trying to record it, and I am not as present as I once was when I would go exploring and seeing new places. I've been to Sedona before. I have videos of Sedona, so you guys can go watch that video if you want to, from the last time I was here, if you want more Sedona videos. It is the most beautiful area, but it is supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow, so I don't want to be out here in the red clay when it starts raining. So we're actually going to leave. I'm going to go into Cottonwood today, which is very close to here actually, and do all of my errands. And then we're going to go to a state park that has a shower. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I've had a proper shower, like a real one, like a real shower, you know? So I'm really excited about that. We're gonna go, I think it's called Dead Horse State Park or something. My hair is just being all sorts of crazy, so just don't pay attention to it, okay? I'm all packed up and ready to go. I just wanted to update you guys before I start heading into a new adventure and you guys are like, wait, what happened? You know, I just wanted to be able to flow nicely. So yes, I was in Sedona. It's where I left you guys off, and originally I was going to stay a little bit longer and do more exploring, and I just didn't record anything that I did while I was here the last 5 days. Okay, I'm rambling now, so let's go to Cottonwood. I've never been to Cottonwood and I know nothing of that town, but from looking at the map, they have everything that you would possibly need. So I'm really excited to go get water and do groceries, and yes, I just need to stock up on everything. I need to get dog food and do laundry. Man, my list of things that I need to do today is long, but in the end, we're gonna end up in a beautiful park. So let's go.
Over the holidays, but you can avoid that holiday trap with RN3 from Red Mountain.
I just finished doing my grocery shopping, but unfortunately this Safeway's water thingies were out of order, and so I have to go across the street to the water store, which I thought was really cute that it's called the water store, but apparently you can get water there.
Your destination is on the left.
So I just got the water that's outside of this store, but I wanted to show you guys what's in here. Like ice here, and then they have a whole bunch of different kinds of water you can get. They have a whole bunch of different jugs you can choose from. That place is pretty neat. We're now at the laundromat doing laundry. Very exciting stuff. I'm gonna eat this veggie sushi that I got from Safeway for lunch, and then we're gonna head out and go to our camping spot. I'm excited. My chores went a lot faster than I thought they were. I always do this to myself. Do you guys do this? Where you like anticipate a chore that you have to do and you're like, God, this is gonna take me all day. And then it only takes you like 4 hours. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. I have everything done. I just need to finish my laundry, and then we're gonna head up to our campground. All right, you guys, we made it to the Dead Horse Ranch State Park. I got 2 nights here. I'm pretty excited about it. Hot showers, baby. So if you have a reservation here, you don't have to go inside that little place like I just did. But I did not have a reservation, but they had plenty of sites available. Thank you. It's only $20 for a non-hookup site. It's tent sites. So, I mean, that's pretty good considering this is a state park and they have showers. If you guys remember when I was in Utah, almost every BLM campground was $20 and they didn't even have water. Like, it was just a pit toilet and trash cans. So it was a little sad, but this is a good price. I'm so excited to take a freaking hot shower. You guys have no idea. Oh man. Good morning, you guys. So last night after I got here, I put everything away and I cleaned up the van, and then it started raining. So I went and took a shower, and it's supposed to rain all day today. That's just how it goes sometimes, you know? But it's early, it's like 7 a.m. Got a little bit of a sunrise. Hold on here. That's it. But it's really cloudy. It hasn't started raining yet, so we're just kind of hanging out. I'm gonna make some coffee. I hate rainy days because in the minivan I can't really do much. I did get a new awning. It's coming soon. Just waiting for it to come into the mail. You guys, I just saw yesterday too that I have my own little water spigot right there. So I filled up these waters for cleaning water. Since it's not raining yet, Joey and I are going to go on a little walk just around the campground here. Or maybe we won't, because Joey just finds something interesting every 5 feet. All right, come on, Joe. Let's go this way, Joey. Well, guys, it finally stopped raining. Look at how weird the sky looks. It's so cool looking. Currently making dinner. It just looks so weird. Making some Gardein Szechuan beef, chow mein, some veggies. It's almost done. I'm just so intrigued by the sky. It's so crazy looking. It's really pretty. Good morning, everybody. Yesterday, it just rained all day, so I just sat in the van pretty much all day. Today is supposed to be nicer, though, so Joey and I are gonna get to adventuring. If you guys see that hill right there, there's a trail that goes up and then there's a trail that goes around. So we're gonna go the one that goes around because we went up last time. Say goodnight, everybody. Yeah, you guys, I got a new stove. It's a 2-burner propane stove. Unfortunately, they were out of propane, just like almost everywhere else, which is kind of a bummer, but at least now I have it, and I have my little backpacking stove that I'm going to use, and then I got a couple more isobutane canisters because these things are everywhere. They had tons of butane. They did have a butane stove, but I want a 2-burner. I want to upgrade. Eventually I'm going to get a bigger van, so I might as well prepare for that bigger van that I'm going to get and get that 2-burner stove. So we did. Now I just need to find some propane. Hopefully in Phoenix. That's where we're going next. After we're going to go to a BLM spot for the next few days because I have to go pick up a package in Phoenix, but it hasn't come in yet. So we need to just go somewhere and hang out for a few days until it comes in, and I was sick of paying for a campground, so we're going to the BLM area that's like an hour from here. So let's go. All right, you guys, we've made it to where we're going to be camping for the next few days. I'm just kind of hanging out and waiting for a package to come into Phoenix. We're about an hour north of the city in a place called Bloody Basin BLM area. I know it just sounds crazy, but it's actually very beautiful and very deserty and hilly. It's just great. I really like it. But this is where I'm going to end this vlog. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe below. I'll also put a link for my Patreon in the description box in case you want to check that out and help support my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!